Are you thinking about new windows? Ryan Shutt is here with Southwest Exteriors to talk about when to replace them and why it's worth it. It's good to see you. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Good to see you too.
Yeah, we were just talking in the break. New windows. I know I need them. It's not so exciting, right? But at some point, everyone needs new windows.
Right.
And so that's what we're talking about this morning. What makes you guys at Southwest Exteriors different?
Yeah, really it's three things. So our people, we've got some amazing folks that have been doing this for a long time. And, you know, from the time that you call in, you'll get someone on the phone that you can tell really cares about it. So we want to treat your home like it's ours. The second is our process. And so my desire is if any point in time a homeowner has to call us for an update, we've dropped the ball.
Okay.
So it's about proactive communication, when we're going to come out, what's going to happen next. And the last one's our warranty. So, you know, a lot of companies have, you know, weird verbiage in their warranty that's hard to understand. With us, for as long as you own your home, we'll take care of it. So even outside the manufacturer's warranty, we'll take care of your windows for you, no questions asked, and it's just a very, very simple process.
That's good to know. So if we're considering replacing the windows, is now a good time to do it? It
is, really, for two reasons. Obviously, I don't know if you noticed, it's a little warm, right? And so I know we all have we all have those one or two rooms in our house that are just hot and unbearable this time of year. And so, you know, again, unfortunately, it's not going to be cold at the end of August for us. And so now is a good time we can still get the project done while it's still warm. And then also, prices are going up, and so at the end of the year, we always see manufacturers' prices increase, and so we're expecting a lot larger one this year with everything going on. Okay,
good to know. So if you've even thought about it, you might want to start doing your research, looking into this, because now you're probably going to get a better price than you would if you were to wait on this. What's something that most people don't think about when it comes to window replacement?
Yeah, they really don't think about the type of window they're putting in their home and specifically the product as far as like what it's made of. And so we're very lucky to work with a great manufacturer that actually makes a fiberglass window. So you think of like football helmets, the hull of a speedboat, very, very durable. And again, in this hot climate we have here in San Antonio, I mean, a plastic or vinyl window a lot of times can contract and expand with the heat, and therefore you're going to lose efficiency long term. And so the fiberglass window we sell from Infinity is an amazingly strong window for our climate. So many benefits of replacing the windows. It's going to save you money, and of course it looks so much better. It really changes what the front of the house, the back of the house looks like. What is the number one thing homeowners should think about when they're hiring a window contractor? So the biggest thing there is take your time. Go slow. There are some folks out there that, you know, they'll come into your home and they'll give you a great offer, but it's only good for that day. And so we don't work that way. So our website's a great resource to go on and read comparisons on products, just very, very unbiased information, and we promise to never ever pressure you. So all our pricing is good for 30 days. And so, again, just make the decision in your time frame. Okay. If we've got someone watching this morning and they're like, yep, Ryan's my guy, I want to get started, what's the best thing for them to do? Yeah, just give us a call or go to our website. Our website also has some great tools, too. You can actually figure kind of the estimate price for your window, so you can actually do a pricing calculator and see what it's going to cost before you ever have to call us. Okay, good deal. Well, it's good to see you. Thank you for coming in. Guys, if you're thinking about the windows, again, now is the time to do it. We also have 24 months, 0 interest, so make sure you mention San Antonio Living when you call our friends at Southwest Exteriors. Take a look at your screen. They're here in San Antonio. The number to call is 210-750-4969. It's right there on your screen. You can also visit the website southwestexteriors.com for more details.